When you make a major purchase or apply for financing, you usually have to go through a personal credit check so that lenders can decide whether or not you should be trusted and approved. Well, the same process happens when you make major purchases or apply for financing for your business. Lenders check your business credit to determine how trustworthy you are as a business. Unfortunately though, most business owners don't realize that they even have a business credit profile. And even fewer know how to check their business credit score. This means that most business owners are still using their personal credit and social security number to qualify for loans, and if they have poor personal credit, they can't qualify for a business loan at all. At Oxford Pierpont Financial, we help business owners build strong business credit so that they can qualify for the major financing options that will grow their businesses. Once we have helped you build your business credit, we give you access to hundreds of lenders that can give you the money your business needs to grow exponentially. We are here to help. Contact our finance team and get started with a free business credit check today.